I received this machine. It's a Vigorelli. It's an Italian machine. And I was trying to find videos on it, and I found some, or I found one that just showed stitches. Anyway, to thread this machine, so you use the bobbin here. This is for if you have two. It has when you use a double needle. So this just comes around here, goes in here, comes around, goes in this one. There's little slots. You just put it out in there, and then it comes around here. You pull this up, and there's a little metal that it springs it back, catches it. Put it in here going that way, and it comes down, and it goes in this little loop, and then it goes down into here, and then into your needle. This one has different feet, which is probably the same as any other machine. This one has cams, so on it nowadays you just push a button to get all these things. To get these in your machine, this has a flat spot on it. You turn it, get that flat area, pull this back. That comes out. If your needle is down, this will not come out. Found that out the hard way. So, I'm still not sure what the different colors are for. I'm sure it has something to do with whatever you're stitching. If you want it to sew a straight stitch, you turn this to 0. Then you get your straight stitch. Otherwise, it's going to give you the zigzag width. I do not know how to use the buttonholer. This is your reverse. This is when you're doing using the cams. I know when you have it on this space, that will stitch really well. This is tighter, and then this is loose. And then this is your, to do your bobbin. Take that off. That goes up, and you wind your bobbin. I have not used that yet. So, it's a metal machine. It's really strong. I had some, I stitched, so that's a zigzag. And I had the tree, I was trying to figure out the tree cam, but that's really cute. If you were doing something, let's put this back in here. This plate does go back and forth, which is interesting. Let me just do that. So if I have it on, let's just turn it on zigzag. Do that. My presser foot. So then if I put a decorative cam in here, it seems like, oops, my presser foot is up. Let's see what I want to do. So we'll do this loopy one. It clicks in. You can actually see when I put it in, this thing moved. So, let's see what it's going to do. You can see it's moving. That's pretty fast. I don't even have it all the way down. It's pretty cool. I like that. Anyway, if anyone else has information on the machine, basically how to use the button hole, and that's it. Hopefully this helps somebody.